Yeah. I think I have to do a fix of this. I think that's wrong. I'm gonna have to check that. If can't combo +1. If can't combo is the length of animation. It increments by 1. So if I did that there. Can't combo +=1. If not, set it to 0. Right, or 0. Reset from 0. Okay. Oh, did they not reset it? Oh, I didn't reset it. Attack combo, current combo. Weird, that should be set state. Oh, if is larger or equal to. Oh wait, I didn't reset it, that's why. Current combo. +=1 =1. Set the combo there, and then do that other one. Okay. And we say if current combo +1 is that, then we do extend cooldown. But we still need it to play the combo. If current combo +1 is larger than that. Oh wait, I think I'm starting from home or 0. Equals 0. That's not gonna work because that's gonna break it. Yeah, because it's index 0, so that has to be index 1. Or 1, or 1. Just starting from 1. Combo +=1. If I did this here with combo +1, and I set it to 0 there. There we go. One. Weird, okay, so the cutoff isn't working, so I was right. Because it's, hang temporary. It gets state, next cutoff. Set state cutoff. Because if it's a temporary one, it will get deleted and then it won't have a cutoff, so it'll just be a normal tag. So if we actually have a look here, if I do warn combo cutoff achieved, occurred, reset combo, get cooldown. So if I do one, so combo occurred. So if I hold left click now, looks like I don't actually. Oh, because I don't set it to blank. Why? I need to delete the cutoff. Clear the cutoff. If I left click, so cutoff occurred. Let's cut off occurred. So if I hold left click, it's still achieving the cutoff. Clear the cutoff. Next cutoff. Next cutoff is the cutoff time. Time plus cutoff time after the duration. Set state. Time plus that. So we got rid of the temporary variable. Temporary type. Temporary function. 3. Cutoff achieved, but it was the full combo. So maybe if I do that, clear the cutoff. Because we reset it. That would make sense. Except I don't. Combo resets here. Local combo resets. If combo reset. Cooldown time, attack duration. Yeah, so if combo reset. If not combo reset. Okay. Obviously I should be moving this into here. Plus attack. And there will increment combo. And if I do 1, 2, let go, click again, reset. For the cutoff, I don't want it to completely. I want it to do this here. That would be copy this, delete all of this. If combo resets, so it's either combos reach the max or next cutoff and that Cutoff timer has resets. Is that the RPG game? No, it's not. This is just random combat stuff so I can put on my portfolio for commissions. And I can link them to the stream and tell them I made in like 4 hours. So if I do 1, let go, click again, it continues the combo, but it's a reset. Or do the last combo move and then fully reset it. Or do I want it so it resets? I don't want it so it resets completely, so if next cutoff in time is larger than next cutoff, then current combo equals 1. Because that's a combo cutoff, not a cooldown thing. That's what I was missing. Yeah, apparently, I don't know why, but everybody wants combat and abilities, so I'm just gonna do this. So I can just do all of them using the same system. 1. 1. Why is that not? Next cutoff in time is larger than next cutoff. Cutoff time plus attack duration. The attack cooldown is that. Oh. Anyway. And that one's gotta be cooldown time. Just like this. Yeah, literally anime games. One. If I hold it, it doesn't reset. How long is this cutoff? Cutoff time plus the attack duration. Cutoff time plus the cooldown time. How long did I put the cutoff time? 0.6. Oh, time plus that. That's causing one issue. The other issue. Current combo is 0. That's what's going to explain it. Okay. So if I do 1, 2, hold it, do it again. Fuck. Let's kick. Wait a minute. Why is it not reset it? Reset it! Oh, unless set state attack combo 1. Because that only does it afterward. Yeah. That looks like it. Oh no, I see it now. I'm trying to do some weird shit. So this cooldown time shouldn't exist. It should be, it should be this, except there's no lengthened cooldown. Next cutoff is that. So if combo resets, reset the combo. So next cutoff is reset cutoff. If I probably change these, it would make more sense. Attack cooldown, next cutoff. is the activation. Combo reset, so if our combo is larger than the total animations or the reset cutoff has occurred, we want to set the next cutoff to be the cutoff time and duration, which is going to happen anyway. So that's going to happen anyway, so we can move it out here. But if we combo reset, we want to fully reset that combo value to 0. No, we want to reset it to 1 because that's what we're going from. Because then the next attack would be 2. Yes. Reset the combo back to 0. Back to 1. Timings. There we go. Okay. Oh, I guess it is. If it is larger than that, set it back to 1. There we go. So if I do 1, 2, hold it. Yes, and then we go back to the normal punch. 1, 2. The cutoff is achieved. If I left click, we should be punching, which we do. Fuck, I was overcomplicating it. Why? Ignite. I'm gonna get Celine. Reinstall. Need Celine to restore the Roblox thing. Okay. And then hitbox local offset C frame equals the player character get pivot. So pivot is like the boundary box of the character with a pointer. So then, so actually if we have a look at this character, the pivot is, wait. Oh, the pivot's at the bottom by default? What? Who changed that? Oh my god. They silently changed the feature. That's gonna fuck up my other projects now. Oh, don't you love Roblox in this? Man. Oh guys, use pivot. I swear we won't change it. Actually, let me double check, because there might just be these dummy rigs. Okay, so it's the... What? Why are these pivots at the bottom? Yeah. Why would they put that at the bottom? What? That's inconsistent with other characters. Whatever. So it is indeed in the middle. So let's do like hitbox size effective3.new. How big is 5 by 5 by 5? Let's have a look. 5 by 5. Maybe let's do something like this. A little bit off the ground. Do something like that as a hitbox. Or a little bit smaller. Yeah, I know. It's always fun. That's hitbox size, so we can simply do where's that hitbox utility? So I'll show you the hitbox utility. So it's just a block. So when you get hitbox result, you give a C frame and a size and overlap params, so you can ignore your character. It'll move that box to it, it'll get parts and part, and then it'll move the block away again and return the collisions. And it's as simple as that. hitbox mod or hitbox utility. So we've got the offset C-frame, we've got the size. So actually offset C-frame, that would be half along the Z, no, X. So this would be times C-frame.new minus hitbox size. Actually, I could just do it by hand, to be honest. Let's see, 52, 2.25. 2.2500. That's yeah, hey Deadbait. We have like params. Yeah, it's all live. I've been doing this for 2 hours 20 minutes now. This is localplayer.character, so we're gonna ignore our character. Let's do a exclude, so we're gonna exclude our character. And then that is the hit. I want to move this out here, so we only create it once. So we go to the top. Like that. And then I will hit characters. So hit parts, hit characters. I believe if I go back to hitbox, we should have a find humanoids and hits. Can I use that? Maybe I'll just use that. And then change this combat share to be humanoids. Filter dead characters. Hit characters from hits. Yeah, maybe I'll do that. Filter dead humanoids. Humanoids. So that's a humanoid. If humanoids at index and humanoids at index dot health is larger than 0, increment 1, otherwise remove at this index. Filter dead humanoids. Okay. Yeah, that'll be better. So we'll do get find humanoids from hits. So we'll do hit parts. So this is obviously something we're going to be sending to the server, so we'll have to sanitize the hits. So here we'll do shared remote enums, and inside that is register hits. Also close it. So we'll register the hits, we'll get the hit characters, and we're going to fire that to the combat unreliable event, which would be repair storage, wait for child, combat unreliable event, which is a unreliable remote event. And I'm assuming, yes, okay, it's still the same shit. Nice. And obviously we don't want to do this just once. Actually no, we'll probably just do it once. That should be right. I don't even think we need an unreliable one for this one. Maybe I'll just, I'm gonna change this back to a remote event. And we should just do combat events. Combat event by server. I think that might be better. Combat events. Because unreliable is like, you'd be using it for C-frame updates, although you probably don't want to do some packing for that shit. Register hits, we're going to pass combat hits, that's target humanoids. And then we can do combat shared combat shared. Oh, we want to filter dead humanoids. And then, yeah, so if humanoids index and humanoid index is a humanoid, and type of humanoid index is an instance. You have to really bulletproof these. Actually, we don't need that because we're doing this. So if it is an instance, if it is a humanoid, and health is larger than 0, we keep it. Otherwise, we remove it. And then that will always make sure there's humanoids only in that. That is target. Well, actually, no, that's the same. So for_target humanoid. Now pairs target humanoids do check if humanoid can be attacked. Check if humanoid is a enemy. Oh, actually, we'll learn the same thing. Check if humanoid can be attacked. Check if humanoid's alive, which we've already done. Oh, we also do. Actually, we'll do it here. Is a enemy is not the character's own humanoid. That sort of thing. Go back to client. Let's actually set these up so it's complaining like a little bitch. Workcode modules, utility, hitbox. So hitbox, get the results at that. Filter out the hit humanoids from that. We'll send that table to the server. Whoops, let me move these up. I just realized it was not actually readable. Okay, so we'll file server those. So actually, we can actually also watch that hitbox in action, because if I do, oh, it's already set as that. If I just remove this line here, we should be able to see the red box where it's being hit. And also if I do print number of hit humanoid, as well as check if it can be attacked, attack effect, knockback effect, stun state, and yeah, attacked visual effect, and also the punch hit sound. We'll keep that for a moment. Filter dead humanoid. So actually here we can do, if number of target humanoids is equal to 0, then just return early. Warn number of target humanoids. One molecular name the dot has tried to attack a total of humanoids. Let me one string dot format. Let me put this in here, and then I can get this here, like that. Reformat that string. Yep. We don't need that anymore. Don't need that anymore. Do we have an attack cooldown anywhere? No, we don't. Sweet. We removed that from the config, so I want to make sure it's completely gone. Okay, so if I left click, I think we do want it on the Z axis. And it needs to be rotated. 3, 4, so it's 4 that way, so if I put 2.5 there and 4 there, that should have fixed it. Yep, nice. And then we can actually push it out a little bit more. So if I do 3.25. from over here. We try to attack a total of 1 humanoid. Oh man, that plural's killing me. Fix that. Number of target humanoids is larger 1 and S for them. Man. Let's see. Yep. Those will be individual attacked, and then I can do it. I will have to move these closer. Like that. So try to attack 4 humanoids. Ooh, actually that might be, yeah. 4's that way, so let's do 3.25. So that should be from the front of the character, like touching the character essentially, to 1.7. Oh no, it's 4 times. Yes, I need half of this. 1.625. Half the distance out. Oh wait, no, we don't want half, we want a third of the distance out, because now it's inside the character. Minus 2. Well, actually, if I do what? 3.3 is. I make that 3, it'll just be 2. Will that work? Oh, fuck it. Yeah, that's good. There we go. We're attacking 4 humanoids. They'll be knocked back. We'll hear the hit sounds. Maybe I'll do sort the closest humanoid. Target humanoid 1. Is there like a distance function? Never checked. I thought there was one in the humanoid. Yeah, move velocity. There isn't. Okay. But what I'm going to do is tail.sort the target humanoid's function, AB. I'm going to return A dot parent get pivot dot position minus local character position. Local player dot character get pivot dot position. So that magnitude is smaller than the B parent magnitude. So that should be ascending order in distance. So smallest distance first, largest distance last. And then what we'll do is pick only the first humanoid. Is that what I want to do? Show a ray cast, just see if there's something blocking the other humanoid. I'll just do attack whichever's closest, I think. Yeah, I'll do attack whichever's closest. Equals target humanoids 1. Actually, you do need to do it this way. Check if humanoid can be attacked. Check if is an enemy. Check if is not the character's own humanoid. Attacked visual effect, not back visual effect. Yeah. Filter humanoids. I think where I want to add this part. If target humanoid dot parents is equal to beloved player dot character, then continue and so that checks that. Check if it can be attacked if it is a enemy. Yeah. Okay. We sort closest has tried to attack a total of blah humanoids. We'll go through each. If it is that, if not that, continue. Otherwise, break. If not, can attack humanoid, then continue. And so only when it figures out finally one of them that can be attacked, it'll attack that. I do want to do a forcing thing though. Because technically they can cause lag just by spamming the remote. Or number of target humanoids is larger than... Let's do like 10 or 5 as the max. Oh, I can just splice it. Yeah, so if number of target humanoids is larger than 10, then... Nice. I don't think I can splice it normally. I have to do... Table.move, target humanoids, 110, 1 temp. Equals temp. Splice, and we'll go first, 10. That's remote safety there. So they can't... So why I did this, so let's say they pass in like 5,000 instances. This will make it so it only checks the first 10. That's if somebody's trying to crash the server, for example. And then we filter out dead humanoids, which includes non-humanoids. So if there's no humanoids in any of them, it will remove it from the table. If it's 0, return. And then everything down here is only humanoids and there's nothing else there. And it's not like 1,000 of them, it's only 10 of them, maximum. And then also this clears memory, because if there's 1,000 references, and we splice it like this, the original target humanoids is being overwritten by this new temporary one, so that original one just gets garbage collected, which is great. So we get rid of that as soon as possible. Okay, yeah. Now that we've got that though, we have a look at the output, so we should see 4 humanoids there, that's fine. Yep. Okay, now we just need to do the actual hitting of the humanoids. So for target humanoid and target humanoids, I'll just do for humanoid in that. If humanoid.parent is a character, then continues. We can't hit ourselves. For this one, it will always be true for the moment. So no matter what you hit, that's it's a target. And then here we have visual effects. So I want to do function module.run character hit effects character. So actually I'm gonna firewall client. So if I do combat event firewall clients, we want the shared combat module remote enums dot combat hit effect. And I'm gonna do it for that humanoid. If I come over here, I do combat event on client event connect function dot 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 local args dot 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 job table to remove args1 if job enum is equal to combat shared module dot remote enums dot what do I call it? Combat hit effect, then combat shared run hit effect for the unpack args. Like that. Then what I can do is have that tell everyone to do all of these things to the character. And I can say if not local, if not players, get player from character, the humanoid.parent, then I do want the knockback effect inside this. What did I put that under? That was server module. This damage module. I moved it in here. Would I move it in here? Oh, here it is. I want those in there because I want to do on character. The knockdown character. I want to stun the character and I want to knock them back. So function module dot. Do I have knockback? Oh, I have it here. I can use this one. Oh, that's right, because of the fucking clusterfuck robots. Debris, tween service. Game get service, debris. Like tween service, game get service, tween service. When we run the character hit effects, we do stun character state, don't do stun out here. Combat server, play stun animation. We don't actually need to worry about that because we can do a cheat for that. What I want to do here is what's this knockback effect? The knockback we will do if I do if level is server, run service is server. So if is server, then create Oh man. If is server and character. No, if is server then that. Otherwise, if character is equal to the local game gets those players dot local player dot character, then so if it is the server or oh that's so annoying. If it is server and not players get player from character create server side not back, else if character is equal to the local player's character, create client side not back. Well, I guess I could just do. Oh, yeah, this would just make it so much easier. If I do this down here, if run service is server, then else. And then this not back here. If not players get player from character, then module.knockback character primary part. Attack origin is there. Attack visual effect, not back effect. Oh, that's so bad. Module.attack fade effect character. So that's knockback effect or knockback. And it's sound. Which I'll do anyway here, no matter what. Which is sound service module dot play sound at position, the character get pivot dot position. And that is replicated assets. Local replicated storage game gets storage, local replicated assets, because storage with count assets. So that's replicated assets. Sounds punch hit. So that's one there. So that's attack origin. So that's the server one. And then this one's the client one. So if local player dot character is equal to character, then local player can be defined here. Knockback, yes, yep. Okay. Knockdown character, I'm not gonna worry about that. Okay, sound service module, that is require script.parent worker child services, worker child sound service. So attack fade effect, so this one here we want for underscore base part in IPairs character get children. Oh, actually we'll do get descendants. So if base part is a base part, then what I'm going to add to it is this flicker. So if I do a selection box Put the adorny to the part, so you get this sort of thing. So what I'm going to do is make this white. I'm going to make this thin. And I'm going to do like a very slight red. Like that. So if I do level base hit, base fade effect instance dot new selection box base fade effect dot color 3 equals color 3 dot new 1 base line thickness equals 0.01 surface color 3 equals color 3 dot from RGB 172 127 128. The surface transparency is 0.5. Transparency equals 0. As you can make. I like 0.1. Local new effect equals base effect clone. New effect adorny equals base part. Parent equals that base part. Tween service create. That effect. Let's do like 0.3 maybe. And we want the transparency. Was it surface transparency equals 0? No, equals 1. And the transparency equals 1. So we'll play that. Tween equals tween play. Oh, actually, we can just play it without setting the variable. We'll play that, and then we also want to add it to debris. Debris, add item, new effect, the 0.3. And then we can do custom duration, or effect duration. Duration equals that, or 0.3. And we'll simply set that there, like that. And then what we need to do next is combat hit effects. If it is an enemy, if is within range. And then we need to do character state module set temporary states, the humanoid.parents. Stunned for 0.3 true. Okay. Holy moly. And then here we'll just do a quick check. Let's just do inside our combat config module.max distance cutoff equals, let's do like 8 studs. How big's that? So it's 8 studs all around this character. That's actually quite far, let's do like 6. So 6 is pretty reasonable, I'd say. So let's do max distance cutoff 7, just for that extra in case of latency. And then we'll say if humanoid.parent get pivot actually I've got an idea too. I should put, if cached distance humanoid is larger than the cutoff combat config, and continue. So cached distance would be 4_ humanoid and IPairs target humanoids do. We can put this in a function or something. Let's see a quick test. 1 sec. Let me just equals humanoid.parent get pivot minus that. Humanoid.parent get pivot minus character position magnitude. Cached for A is smaller than cached for B. And then I can get the cached one here, continue that, is within range done. I can reduce this to one line now, and I can stun the enemy as well. Combat effects, voila. Fun. I can quickly test, but it may error, so we'll have to see. Alright, no error. Fight. Error. 157. Combat shared. Because we have to do. Ooh, I didn't pass the right thing in. Unpack args. Args1.parent. Actually, let's just wait, is combat server humanoid.parent. That's a combat mode. There we go. I think it's actually too visible. Let me where is the effect? Or combat shared. Let's do light transparency 0.6 and that's 0.8. That is the right way around, right? Line thickness 0.01, color 111. 1 is invisible. 1 is invisible. It's because they stacked, that's why it's that. And also let me make the configuration like 2.5. And this one here, let's reduce the sound. Go. And then what we can say is maybe we won't worry about this here. We'll just run the effect on it. That clears up some variables. What we'll do instead is come here. Fun character, run hits. Also, we need to do the damage module. Damage humanoid. We have the humanoid, so we can do that. Damage humanoid, let's do like 10. And damage owner is the local player. Character. Should I do the plays character? Yeah, I'll do the plays character. So damage module. Cool. Server modules dot modules dot damage module. So that should start doing damage now as well. And then what I can also do is say, so that stuns them, that does the combat effect, that deals damage, and then we'll say if players get, actually can I just do it here? Maybe I can just do it here. Combat shared knockback at humanoid.parent from the character position. I think I can just do it on the server and the client will do it. And I can do character local primary parts. What's character? Primary parts. Actually, I might just fucking character gets pivot dot position. Character. Primary parts, okay. On the knockback. I hope this should just do it. Humanoid appearance to character. I'm passing the character. And do I need this? Yes, I do. So I just have to run it there. See. Yes, he knocked it really far. So actually what I want to do is say if combo is the third fast combat hit, so if actually let me do I had it here somewhere. Not in there. Actually I do want this one. Stunned 0.3. Appearance. Do that here. Damage. Oh, combat shed. Do that here. Where is it? So knockback, deal damage. Just do. Knockback. But only do this one if combo is next combo. Like that. Combat config, module animations. So if our current combo. Local current combo equals the combat shared. No, it's not combat shared. It's right here. Get state character attack combo. Not back. So if I'm attacking, 2, 3, oh, 4, 1. Actually, it would be all 0. combo plus 1 is larger equal to number of animations. If current combo plus 1 is larger or equal to the number of animation, not back. Weird. Humanoid.parent. When stunned, is it? No, it's only setting that. That's weird. If I do that first. Oh, am I passing the wrong character? No, it is wrong. What? One. Attack combo. Oh, local player dot character. Right. Oh, you know what? Local apply knockback equals. That there. So if apply knockback, do that. Get all of that to appear. Like that. Okay. Where I lose it? There. So here we say, okay, get the current combo from the character, or otherwise 1 if it's not there. We add 1 to it if it's larger or equal to the number of animation 0. So if it's at the end of the combo, we want to apply knockback, because that's the kick move. Maybe 2 plus 1. Okay. Maybe I do want to actually remove that equal sign, just only if it's larger. There we go. And also I do want to actually combat chat module rotate toward so if apply knockback to the knockback like that, otherwise just rotate toward these guys here. And then come here. So we want this in its own separate function. Humanoid parent, so that's character, position, attack origin, like that. C-frame to look at. Direction C-frame. Local direction C-frame equals that. Oh yeah. So it'll rotate towards us wherever we're facing, but it won't knock it back until the third one. And then I can go back to the utility now. So, the hitbox utility, and I'm going to re-enable this. And I'll set this to 1 as well. Okay. Any last things I want to change? What I can do is sounds are played on the server. So that's the combat. Actually, I do want that. Oh, the sound's already in. I guess that's alright. So what I want to do next is, after a small drink break and toilet break, I'm going to add blocking, and I want to do block break as well. So if I go here, and this reference is, where's my to-do? To-do D. So I've done, actually let me just get the check mark X emojis. Oh, where's the other X? Alright, let's use this one. There we go, that's better. So this one is basic left click combat. What I want next is right click to block, left click attack, left click attack. Oh, let's do implementation, blocking, right click block implementation, block break implementation, punch kick. Well, actually that's just part of the same thing. And I want to do dashing as well. Dash implementation. Hey Rish. So that's what I want to do for them, and then we'll get to these ones down here. We publish that. Yes, we'll do block next. So let me actually dot animation. Animations, we want attack. And we want block. And we want block break. We want stun. Stunned. Dash. So we want all of these. I need to do dot animations, dot attack. Attack. Yeah, see, I had animation sets here as well. Oh, I don't think I need this one. Let me see if there's anything useful from these. Oh, I can just set stuns there. Oh, whatever. Nothing there. Let me see this. Oh, I already grabbed that. I can delete this now. Ragdoll will grab this one. I need to be implemented. Nice. Right. What's your game working on? It's more of a tutorial thing, I guess. I'm just implementing a combat system from scratch. And that way when I get asked to do a combat commission, I can just use this. Instead of having... Well, actually, I just straight up saying no anyway, but... Now I can just do all the combat commissions with this one module set up. And I can get all the moolah. They don't find my video on how to make it. Oh man, I'm going to quickly have a drink and toilet break. And then we'll do the block break. And I could probably do dash and then that'll be the end of the stream. I think I should be able to do all of them pretty quickly. Now that we've got the actual framework set up. But I'll be back. Bionicle song. Oh yeah. I totally did not get food while I was up. Okay. Yeah, let's start with the right click block. So let's go combat client. So we've got combat animations. I'm actually going to change this to loaded animations. I'm going to do attack, block, and we'll just do those two for the moment. Attacks, blocks. So we do an empty table for them. Load animations. Attacks equals humanoid. Oh gee. Humanoid, and load that. And then load animations dot block equals animation service dot load. Oh, here we go. Let me just re-archive this out of the way. There we go, that's better. If I go to my services, animation service, I want go to animation. Right. Okay, hard, but I'll explain this. So this function, load animations deep, actually checks for indexes and arrays and dictionaries inside there. So if I do it this way, it will automatically load every single one of, if I can find it, it would load all of these in that specific format. So this will be an array of animation tracks. This will be its individual animation track, I believe. I hope so. And then this is just going to be the animations table. Would you be able to do a video on wall running at some point in the future? Oh, I probably won't end up doing that. I sort of had an idea of how you would do it. I wouldn't really use forces, to be honest. I would probably be like raycasting and C-framing. That's an array. Attempt to load that. Yep, okay. And then where the red is, we do attacks, load animations, and that attacks. Okay, yep. I see. Reflect block. Okay. Let me get a block animation. Let me see if there's a block animation I can use. Oh. Oh, I guess there is. Okay. Let me see. Where am I? VS Code. Block animation. Stun animation. Do I have a dash? Dash animation. Let me actually import this. Oh, alright. That way. It looks like he's singing. Where am I going? This way. Am I in locals? Yeah, I am. Give me the red. That's not. 0.25. Actually, make sure these are bending the wrong way. And then, actually, I probably want it like this. I can't move that. Yes. To be like a little bit of a knockback. Holy fuck. If I do that, that look a little bit nicer. That's being knocked back into a stun. Do I have that? There's actually. What I can do then is, if I set that to action 2, when we play the stun animation behind it, it won't be there until that animation's finished. Okay. Let's start this. Oh, it's streaming. Okay, so what we'll do is function module attempt block start. So this one will do that. Just finished a project yesterday that could share my screen in Roblox. I know it's done a lot, but I figured out how to do it. Nice. Yeah, I've done that several times already. But mine's fast as fuck, boy. Let's do mouse button 2. User input type dot mouse button 2, then return attempt block. Let's give it the input value. How does it use that? Oh, for that. Oh, yep. So we attempt the block start. It's actually using our function here too, and then we'll yield until release of that input object. And then we'll release block, which will do invoke server. Was it combat function? Invoke server. Shared. Romating arms. Block. End block. Equals success. Message equals invoke start block. Yield until release. I do it like that. I could force this just to be no. I'll hold off on that one now. Just do a while true to if held key values input value and combat shared module dot is character blocking local playable character, then wait. There we go. And then here we'll do combat shared. Just do a function. Module dot is character blocking character. Return character state get state character blocking. Function module is character available character. So we'll do that one there. Do that one there. We'll do that one there. We'll put those in there. Equal success error equals if not success then return false error. Then we can say function module can character block character. We'll do that. If block cooldown, character is currently on block cooldown. stunned or blocking. How do you plan on making these projects? I was trying to make my own combat system, but when I decided to add stuff, it became harder and harder every time. Yeah, it's becoming harder and harder every time. You do have to organize it pretty well for it to stay easy to add things to it. That's what I did from the start. I'm like, okay, I need to sort of organize it so I'll tell the server when I'm attacking and I'll tell the server what I've hit. And then I want the server to filter everything for me. And then I want to do some checks to see if I'm stunned, if I'm attacking, if I'm blocking. So I need something for that, which is this. Is character available? Can character block? Can character attack? That sort of thing. But yeah. And then I'll have another one here for can character dash? Let me check something. I know it is based on that. Yeah. Well, I guess I'll just keep it as is then. I don't need that one actually. If not, combat shared can character block then. Success pass, so start block. Let's put that in here. Success message, if not success then return pass, could not block, message, pass it, otherwise sync it here. Module play animation, play animation, block. So block animation, play that. Stop that one. Also, I need to end block and start block. It's like combat shared. Start block is 2, end block is 3. We have activate dash here as well. Oh yeah. Okay. That we're 200 lines, nice. So attempt block start, so if we can't block, we'll checkpoint slide, we'll pass. We'll ask the server, can we block? If not, we'll pass. Blocks enabled, play the animation. Obviously with loot equals true. Wait until we're not blocking, so either we release a key, or we're not blocking anymore because there's something else. If so, stop the animation, and then tell the server we ended block. So here what we want is function module attempt character block. And then what we also want up here is function module end character block. Character. So then down here we'll have register hit, otherwise, oh no, that's that one. We want it here. Else if job enum is equal to combat shared module, remote enums, start block. Else if job enum, combat shared module, remote enums dot end block. Or should it be start block, stop block? Maybe I'll do that. Stop block. Stop block. Then we will want to do that one there. Module dot attempt character block. Look play character. And of course we'll return those values. Alright. And then it's just this. Can block. Can character block. Increment combo. We want to set state blocking to true. And then yeah, I'm gonna do that. And then this one we'll just remove blocking. Actually, let me change this keybinds in the client. Attempt block start. Let's change this to enum.keycode.f. What was that? G. E. No, is maybe F. We'll try F for the moment. I do F. Q for dash. F for block. And obviously we want the ZXCW. CV. Abilities. Block dash combat. we want those ones. Okay, so if I press F, cannot block, characters unavailable. Cannot block, characters unavailable. So can character block local player character? Can character block? Is character available? If not alive, if stunned, if it gets state blocking, if it gets state temporary attacking, oh, return true, character is available. Okay, so if I press F, cannot block, no. Character. In character block. And false character is that, false, 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 true. Weird. Okay, combat server, attempts character block. Ah, return true. Character has begun blocking. And then what we can do is, we've already got that going, sweet. I'll set in a moment. Blocking, unblocking, and I cannot click because character isn't available. Line 63 of combat points. Attack. Attacks, let's do plural. Right. Index node with number 63 again. Oh, I didn't save. Oh man. Index node with number, what? Loaded animations, X. Combat animations, humanoid, and that's. Let me see what this prints. Weird. Animation service. Yeah, if number of enum table, legend 0, and the array, enum value is that. Table. Let me just see what this prints out. This should print attacks with the table of values. attacks with the table values. Okay. Attacks equals. Weird. That should be definitely doing something. Let me see what tracks is returning. Tracks as an empty table. Deep search of that animation value. Character inside tracks. That return parent table. Yeah, if I did that. Weird. 940. It's telling me that it's got shit. It's not shit. Fucking give me that shit. Empty table. Wait, it must be repeating attacks twice then. How would that be repeating twice? Attacks is that. Attacks is a table. Attacks as a table. Okay, that doesn't look like it's gonna work. Okay, I'll just do Red Animations Dictionary. Alright, I'm just gonna do a menu then. For index value is do if number type of value is equal to table, then else. Animator. Oh, is that the function I'm actually calling? Yeah, it is. Oh, whatever. Let's... load array. Animation table. Or loaded animations. Let's do the loaded array of animations. We're going to store it at the index. Else if type of value is equal to string, then that will be the humanoid animator load animation of value equals animation service dot resolve animation value of value. If value, then do that. value and that's all false. That's the manual way of doing it. Index node with the animator, 47. I love that. Let's wait the animator. If not animator, then animator equals humanoid. Don't give a shit what Roblox says. Humanoid doesn't fucking spawn with it, then I'm just gonna load it from the humanoid. Index node with the wait for child. What? Oh my god, are you fucking... If not humanoid, then return. Humanoid and humanoid animator. If not animator, animator is a humanoid. We'll load it from that because then it will create the animator using humanoid load animation. I do not give a shit if it's deprecated. It should not be. Nice. And I can't attack. Yahoo! Right. And then what we need to do now is go to our combat server. And I'm going to check if the human can be attacked. Check distance from character. Check if the human can be attacked. So if combat shared module is character blocking that humanoid dot parent, then continue. Decrement block. Decrement block health and block break if broken. Like that. And then I believe we do have that increment character combo. So here I would have function module decrement block health, I guess. Character. Local was block broken. Humanoid dot parents was block broken. If not was block broken, then continue. That one and that.